Nurmagomedov is immediately resorted to tears, and you can be sure bottling up a lot of those emotions here during this fight week without his late father Abdulmanap Nurmagomedov. And now that the mission is accomplished and the task is done, just too good, man. Too good. I mean, a lot of people felt like H was a live underdog, the best guy that Khabib had faced.
Was everywhere, just too good everywhere, right? There is no area where this Khabib Nurmagomedov can't fight.
Okay. It was my last fight. There's no way I'm gonna come here without my father. The first time. After what happened with my father, when UFC called me about Justin, I talked with my father, my mother, 3 days. She don't know I go fight without father, but I promise her it's gonna be my last fight. I give my word. I have to follow this. It was my last fight here. I want to say thank you, Lorenzo, Nikita. Thank you, Dana, Hunter, all guys. Thank you so much. And of course, I don't forget about Joe Silva, who signed me here in UFC. Joe Silva, thank you. All this UFC team, everybody around the world, this all pandemic stuff, they're doing great show, you know. Be close with your parents, because one day it's gonna happen something, because you never know what's gonna happen tomorrow. You never know. And thank you guys. Thank you, coach. I love you so much. Alhamdulillah. Today is my last fight here in UFC.